All right, my friend, welcome. This is Dr. Anthony Balduzzi, founder here at the Fit Father Project. In today's video, we're gonna show you how to do a chest-supported dumbbell row, which in my opinion is one of the less utilized, but one of the most effective back exercises that not enough people are doing. It's an amazing one. So we're gonna go over all the form points here in this video. I'm gonna give you some ideas on the proper sets and reps. You're gonna see me demo them here in my home gym. I know you're gonna learn a ton. So get out your pen and paper, take some notes, and let's dive on in.
FitFatherProject.com.
All right, so let's talk about the setup. The chest-supported dumbbell row. What we need to start with is a bench, almost like an incline dumbbell bench position. So the main things is that we have the bench, the back bench portion set at around a 45-degree angle because our arms are gonna be dangling over, so we need enough space that your arms are not on the floor. And it's also important to get the seat in this nice angle here as well. So once I'm here, I'm gonna have my dumbbells set up here on the foot of the bench. I'm gonna hop right on over. I'm gonna come down, my chest is gonna be nice and firm on the bench. One at a time, I'm gonna grab my dumbbells, bring it up, and I'm set. Now, although the action is kind of happening in the front, it's important to get your feet down and set and really planted. And I'm actually squeezing my glutes. I'm squeezing the bench inside to make sure I'm really stable. I want a stable base again, so I'm not wobbly up top. Next thing I'm gonna do is squeeze these dumbbells, take my shoulders, retract them just a little bit, and this is the starting point of this rep. A big mistake people make when doing rows is they start all the way down here when the humerus is gliding out of socket. We want it to be slightly retracted right here. Now head's in neutral position, take a deep breath, row, pause, come right on down nice and slow. Come on up, squeeze, pinch those shoulder blades, come on down. With this, because it's a lighter motion than your barbell row, I want you to really feel that contraction and almost think of your arms as like rope cables. And I'm doing all the pulling from my back and I'm trying to really bring those shoulder blades together. And notice how my spine stays in nice alignment as I'm rowing. And I'm doing almost a 1 second pause at the top, slowly lowering, and an explosive on the way up, pause, right on down. Now, you can play with the hand position. So you might find that you might feel it better if your hands are very pronated like this. It feels a little bit differently. For me, I find it's a little healthier on my shoulder to take either a neutral or a little bit of a 3/4 grip. But you can play around with both the pull, with both the wrist position and the pull angle. You can pull higher on these. You can pull lower on these. It's gonna hit different parts of the back, so you have a lot of variety in how you go ahead and do this exercise. So, chest-supported dumbbell row, amazing. Probably not your big back exercise of your workout. You probably wanna start with something like weighted chin-ups, like barbell rows, seal rows, deadlifts, but this is a great finisher, and I love it because it's a good bilateral motion. Really isolate that upper back, the rhomboids, the traps, the lats. So what I recommend is you do 3 sets of anywhere of 8 to 15 reps. Do not be afraid to go higher rep on this. The new research shows higher rep training can still build some good muscle, and this is a great exercise to really feel that contraction and work on the pump. Go lighter than you think you need to. So if you're the kind of guy who one-arm dumbbell rows 60s, 70s, 80s, 100s, cut that back, maybe even by 50%. Feel that contraction, build up from there. And this would be a good thing to do at least twice a week. So maybe 3 sets on one day, 3 sets on another day. It's gonna help take your back training to the next level. So I hope you found this valuable. If you like this, hit the subscribe button. Join us here on our Fit Father Project YouTube channel. We have over 500 videos on the channel, hundreds of exercise tutorials. We also cover the science behind building muscle, losing fat, getting and staying motivated, especially for busy fathers and guys over 40. That's what we specialize in, so we'd love to have you on our channel. So give us a thumbs up, drop us a comment below, subscribe, and we'll see you around the channel, my friend. Good luck with your back training.